We're back in Rouge Woods, Richmond Hill. And you know what that means? One of the most sought after neighborhoods, especially for families. I know I say this a lot, but it's for a good reason. This area is home to some of the highest ranking schools in all your region. Today we're featuring one of our team's listing at 77 Angelica Avenue, a spacious freehold townhouse that offers one of the most affordable ways to get into a top-ranked school district. Let's dive into the details right after this. If this is your first time in the Living in the Greater Toronto Area channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Toronto Area, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Toronto, Ontario. My name is Antonio and my business partner is Van. We get calls every day from people just like you, so whether you are moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out as all of our contact information is in the description down below. This is a neighborhood where you pretty much have everything right at your doorstep. Just take a look at the map. You're surrounded by commercial plazas offering plenty of grocery and shopping options all within minutes. When it comes to schools, it doesn't get much better than this. Silver Stream Public School is just 3-minute drive from this home, and according to the trusted Fraser Institute rankings, it scores an impressive 9.5 out of 10, placing it 42nd out of over 3,000 public schools. That's outstanding, and the best part, you could even walk your kids to school. Right next to the Silver Stream Public School is the Rouge Woods Community Center, a great spot where local residents can gather or book for special events. It features 2 large gymnasiums that can be divided into 4 smaller ones, plus 2 spacious meeting and programs rooms. There's also a teaching kitchen with bar facilities, and the whole place has the free Wi-Fi, making it a versatile and convenient space for the community. This home also offers quick and easy access to Highway 404 and 407, making your daily commute a breeze. It's the perfect blend of comfort and convenience, everything you need in one place. Welcome to 77 Angelica Avenue in the desirable Rouge Woods community of Richmond Hill. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom freehold townhouse offers 3 parking spaces, including a single car garage, and sits in an impressive 19.71 by 114 feet lot with over 1,536 square feet above grade. Best of all, it's listed at $999,000, one of the most affordable freehold options in this top-ranked school district. Step outside to an impressive walkout deck with a pergola and professionally landscaped backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Inside, you find a 9-foot ceiling and fresh paint throughout both the main floor and the second floor. The great room features beautiful hardwood flooring, a brand new staircase with elegant iron pickets, and new laminate floor on the top level. That gives the home a fresh and a modern feel. Let's jump right in and kick off the home tour. Let's kick off the home tour right up front. You're greeted with a long driveway and a single car garage offering parking for up to 3 vehicles. The exterior features beautifully maintained light color stonework, giving the home a clean and elegant curb appeal. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright 2-piece powder room featuring a large front-facing window. Just next to it, there's a conveniently placed coat closet with a good amount of storage space. Now, turning the other way, you'll find the kitchen, finished with ceramic tile flooring throughout. It's a modestly sized space with plenty of cabinetry and ample countertop room on both sides. Equipped with standard appliances, it offers a practical and functional layout for everyday cooking. As you pass through the kitchen, you'll find a cozy breakfast area. It currently fits a fairly large table and features a big window that brings in plenty of natural light. Right beside it is the inviting living room featuring a stylish modern accent wall, but the real highlight is the abundance of natural light pouring in through the large windows and the double glass doors that open up the backyard. On the other side, you'll find a spacious dining area with a nice sense of separation from the kitchen, giving each space its own distinct feel. Looking through this opening, you see the kitchen seamlessly connecting to the breakfast area and living room, creating a bright, inviting, and cozy layout throughout the main floor. Now let's step out to the backyard, featuring a charming pergola and a spacious deck. The yard is fully fenced, making it perfect for private barbecues or simply relaxing outdoors. It's a cozy and inviting space to unwind. There's also a lovely green space with room for a couple of trees, adding to the charm. It's a beautiful, cozy backyard perfect for relaxing and enjoying some fresh air. Now let's head upstairs to the bedrooms. The staircase located right by the front entrance has been completely refinished, featuring new wooden steps and stylish iron pickets that give the home a fresh, modern touch. As you step onto the second floor, you'll find a total of 3 bedrooms. Let's head to the right where the primary bedroom is located. Just inside, on your immediate right, there's a spacious walk-in closet, exactly what you expect in a proper primary suite. The room itself is oversized and features a stylish accent wall, along with 2 large windows that flood the space with natural light. There's plenty of room for wardrobes, a desk, or even a cozy seating area. It's a flexible and comfortable space. To top it all off, the ensuite bathroom includes both a bathtub and a shower, offering a fully functional 4-piece layout. Now let's head back to the hallway. Just to the right, you'll find a generously sized bathroom that's shared between the second and third bedroom. It features a sink with a moderate-sized vanity, a large window, a standard toilet, and a combined bathtub and shower. Overall, it's a practical and well-sized 4-piece bathroom that serves the upper floor comfortably. Continue down the hallway, you'll find a standard linen closet right beside the bathroom. Next to that is the second bedroom, which features an oversized window that lets in plenty of natural light and offers a view of the front of the house. It's a comfortably sized room with a large built-in double-door closet. And finally, let's check out the third bedroom. This room features 2 large, oversized windows facing the front of the house, filling the space with natural light. It's another generously sized bedroom with a built-in closet and plenty of room to suit various needs. And before I forget, let's take a look at the spacious garage. Not only is there room to park a car, but there's also plenty of extra space for storage or even setting up a small workshop. The basement is unfinished, but it includes the laundry area, furnace, and air conditioning unit. I hope you enjoyed touring this spacious and versatile freehold townhouse right in the heart of Rouge Woods, Richmond Hill. If top-ranked schools are on your checklist, this home offers one of the most affordable entry points into the neighborhood. Feel free to reach out or book a quick meeting with me using the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours just like this. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.